Christmas decorations in 2023. You are at the right place. Welcome back to our channel for a delightful dose of Yuletide inspiration. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we dive headfirst into the enchanting world of Christmas decoration ideas for 2023. The holiday season is all about embracing the spirit of joy, togetherness, and, of course, a whole lot of shimmer and sparkle. This year, we're on a mission to make your Christmas decor truly unforgettable. We've scoured the latest trends, gathered expert tips, and let our creativity run wild to bring you the most exciting, unique, and heartwarming decoration concepts to spruce up your space. Number 1. Shower lights outdoor. There is a groove in the cable connector of the LED falling raindrop lights, so you don't have to worry about getting the positive and negative poles wrong. UL certificated output and wire cascading fairy lights. 5V voltage safe meteor shower rain lights with UL certified. Leads to 5V safe output by UL plug-in transformer. Romantic meteor shower effect. The twinkling romantic lights of every bulb turns on and out one by one in sequence and quickly, just like meteor shower or falling snow in the night sky. If you get a set with 8 tubes cascading at the same time, plug it for a certain time. It will cascade at random because every tube has an individual IC, will fall at random. High quality and energy efficient. The meteor shower LED lights is waterproof, dust-proof, transparent PC material, corrosion resistant, cost resistant, aging resistant, more durable. Also, the falling raindrop lights is free from time and space constraints, low power consumption, and energy saving. It can be used as one or be connected, as many as 5 string lights. Number 2. Christmas decorative ladder lights. Exclusive patent design 2023 newest Christmas lights. Unique designed Christmas lights composed of a 9.84 feet lighted rope ladder and a detachable Santa will add a lot of festive atmosphere for your Christmas. This Christmas decorative light is perfect for home, garden, yard, window, porch, Christmas tree DIY decor. Lighting modes and timer and memory function. The Christmas twinkle lights contain a steady on mode and 7 different kinds of blinking modes, which meet your various decor needs. There is a button on the adapter, short press to choose the mode. Long press 3s until the green light is on, then the timer is activated. The memory chip will save your last mode setting and no need to reset the mode every time. Waterproof and safe to use. The Christmas outdoor lights are powered by 30V low voltage, safe to touch. The LED string lights part is waterproof. Just remember to keep the Santa and plug dry, suitable for indoor and outdoor Christmas decorations. Number 3. Christmas pathway lights outdoor. Christmas pathway lights outdoor. Jumbo C9 bulbs covered Christmas string lights, external jumbo C9 bulb size. 7.5 x 3.7 inches, internal lighted bulb size, 0.9 x 2.1 inches, and each bulb is 24 inches apart, 10.8 inches pathway markers, E12 socket compatible, outdoor-indoor use. Come with 5 hooks. You also can hang these charming holiday lights on roof, window, fence, etc. Outdoor Christmas lights will light up your pathway, garden, yard, house when they are on connectable Christmas walkway lights. These connectable Christmas outdoor decorations lawn lights are easy to install with a cable tie or cup hook, fix it or place it anywhere necessary. Up to 86 strands connectable to optimize the need for larger area lighting and festival decorations. With the anchor spike plugging in the snowfield, the Christmas pathway lights are definitely the blooming flowers in the winter garden. Number 4. Christmas lighted pop-up gift boxes. Best Christmas gift. Our Christmas gift boxes is very suitable as a Christmas gift for your lover, friends, and colleagues. Children can't wait to decorate all the gift boxes under the Christmas trees. Christmas is everyone's favorite holiday. Wishing you has all the Christmas blessings. Light up Christmas gift boxes. Set of 3 tinsel Christmas pop-up gift boxes decorated with 60 LED warm white lights. Decorate with tinsel is very beautiful, whether placed on that Christmas tree skirt or anywhere you can imagine. It adds a festival spirit to Christmas. Easy to install and storage. No tools or specialized skills are required. Very easy to set up and take down. Just takes few minutes to stretch the box and insert white metal pole which in the box into the hole for fixing. When not in use, the gift boxes can be folded up and placed in a box. It takes up no space at all. Snowman Christmas decorations. Unique design. Our set of 3 snowman decorations is designed in 2-dimensional. It is pre-lit with 60 pace of warm white LED lights. UL certified safer and more environmentally friendly than other forms of power supply. Simple assemble and storage. This snowman decor includes ground stakes for quick and easy outdoor setup. The outdoor Christmas lights break down for easy storage throughout the rest of the year. Do not plug in wall outlet before setting up. Material and dimension. This outdoor snowman Christmas decorations made of a durable metal frame and covered in soft and glittering waterproof fabric for a festive look and feel. Indoor and outdoor. Add charm to your holidays with this eye-catching Christmas decor. Versatile and perfect for both indoor and outdoor decor. Ideal for your porch, lawn, yard, or any room and event needing a bright holiday touch. Number 6 lights up large areas with knitting. If the idea of winding individual string lights around larger areas, think walls, hedges, and railings, is filling you with dread, opt for a net version instead. Not only will it save you time, but all the lights will be evenly spread, making for a beautiful backdrop that's pleasing to the eye. When covering sizable surface spaces, it's important to think about the overall look and feel you're trying to achieve. The tone of your light's cool toned lighting will help you achieve an icy, on-trend winter wonderland effect. If you're looking to create a cozy display, warm lights will add a softer sparkle and complement traditional decorations well. Number 7, create a candlelit glow. Want the festive glow of flickering candles but without the safety concerns? Brilliant fakes are battery operated, making them ideal for lighting up paths, steps, and other outdoor areas. A much more sensible option for decor at ground level. Plus, investing in weatherproof versions means you won't have to worry about unexpected rain showers either. Number 8, add charm with character lights. Some homes will always find a spot for novelty Christmas lights in a festive display. If you love the fun but don't want to overdose on kitsch, choose a warm white light for character lights that still look chic. Figures and character lights have become a firm favorite for decorating outdoors. For a chic style and trending this year, choose a majestic reindeer to adorn your porch or pathways. Their warm glow will keep in theme with your traditional holiday exterior and will serve as the perfect showstopper to pull your outdoor Christmas light ideas together. That brings us to the end of our 2023 Christmas decoration ideas journey. We hope you found these tips and inspirations helpful in making your holiday season extra special and beautiful. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more holiday content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell. We have plenty of exciting content coming your way to make this holiday season the best one yet. From all of us here, we wish you a Merry Christmas, a joyful holiday season, and a truly magical 2023. Thanks for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in our next festive adventure. Happy decorating!